our calculations now. If you remember the first vlog, that was about how to work out the relative atomic mass or the relative formula mass of a substance. Now you could be asked the sort of question that says, what is the percentage of an element within the compound? So if we remind ourselves about the calculations we did in the previous vlog, for example, we had, Ms. McLaren?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. So we had 1 carbon, which was 12, and 2 oxygens, which amounted to 32. So the MR was
44.
So,
Excellent.
if the question said, what is the percentage of carbon in carbon dioxide, you underline, as Ms. McLaren's just done perfectly, the element that you're interested in, so you know which line to go to, and we know that we have 12 was the amount of carbon in the total compound, so we'll put a circle around that.
Excellent.
So we've got 12 and 44, and we want to work that out as a percentage. So what would you do next, Miss
I think
McLaren?
it sounds quite straightforward, Dr. Bone.
Okay.
Could I try?
Yes.
Excellent. So we have carbon has got an atomic mass of 12. The formula mass of carbon dioxide is 44. So I think we've got the answer, Dr. Bone.
Remember, it's a percentage we're looking for.
Oh, so we multiply it by 100.
Multiply by 100.
Now, let me think.
In your head, is this?
In my head, I would say it's 27%.
27%. Now, if you're not so good at mental arithmetic as Miss McLaren, you can use a calculator. So 27% for that one. Now, something slightly harder. We did calcium carbonate. Type of question would be, what is the percentage of, what should we do? Let's do the hard one, oxygen.
Right. So
What's
we
the
underline
percentage of
the
oxygen
oxygen.
in calcium carbonate? Now, what are you going to ring here, Mrs. McLaren?
Well, we've got oxygen. The atomic mass is 16.
But
There's 3 of them.
yes.
Which means 3 times 16 is 48.
Yeah.
So we're going to ring the 48. And then what we do is we look at the MR, or the relative formula mass, of the calcium carbonate, which is 100. And then what we do is we do percentage of oxygen equals, so the amount of oxygen is 48, and it's over the MR, which is 100. Now, Dr. Bone, I think you can do this calculation.
I can do this one because these hundreds will cancel out. So the answer is 48%. Now, the only thing I'd say, these are very easy calculations. The way, or the area that people make most mistakes is not using the total amount of the element, using this number instead of this number. So be very careful to use the total amount and check your digits very carefully, your adding up and your calculations. Other than that, it's very, very simple.
Oh, I think actually we've done really well with the calculations.
I think we've cracked it. Cracked these calculations.
I think we've cracked them as well.
Okay.